Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today let's install basically an OEM Polaris grab handle, but not in a typical spot, not in the forward spot that it is, but overhead in the ideal spot where we always raise our hand to hold on to. Let's take a look. This will fit right into that frame beautifully. We just need to drill a couple holes. So when we look at these grab handles, there's a special shape of the frame that these fit into. See that? It's kind of a octagonal shape. And that fits well there, but also it fits up here. Let's look at that. Now we have to be cautious. There's a hole right here that will allow you to run wires down through the hollow channel of the A-frame. But these grab bars fit beautifully right on these, so if we bring them back so that hole's not in the way, this would be a really nice location for a grab bar. And when I sit here and put my hand here where I'd expect it to be, I've marked it. I mean, this is where it is. This is a really good location. So I've marked the holes with a silver marker. Now we're going to tap, we're going to put a peen there, put a small dent, small drill, larger drill. You can see where I've put the marks for the handle. So we can see those two little silver points. We're going to use a pin punch to put an indentation, then a small drill bit, then a large drill bit. I've got a pin punch here. Now we'll drill our small hole first with a little tap magic. I've drilled the pilot holes, now we'll drill this large one. Some tapping fluid in it, cutting fluid. Okay, perpendicular to the flat. Whoa. And that's it. So I tapped those holes with an 8mm by 1 1/4 tap. I had drilled them out with a 7mm. I've got the handle now. I got some light. Let's see if this goes together. Hopefully. Alright, that was started. Okay. Threading pretty well. Yeah, that's it. That's good. There's a nice grab handle. Wow. Just like this one up front, but right in a good location too. So there's the install of the OEM Polaris Ranger handle, or the grip. So there's we're going to have one in on the A arm here on that side and directly overhead. So my passenger, my wife, others that want to ride on it, they're going to feel a lot more comfortable. So thanks for watching Adventures with Dr. Joe. Consider subscribing, comments are very welcome. Thank you very much.